Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video I will show you how to find viral hashtag in Instagram application. So you don't have to go any website or any application to find a hashtag. You can find it from Instagram application itself. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to find. So here you can see this is my Instagram account. So if I will go to search here and click on search, you can see the top, the trending icon is here: mother status, motivation status, Photoshop pose, okay, Mehendi artist. So currently this is a trending hashtag. For example, if I will go to first mother status and I will select any post here, okay, this one, and if I will go to a hashtag here, you will find this hashtag here. Here you can see that hashtag is here. In same way, if I will go for another trending hashtag, motivational status, and I will click on this one and I will go to hashtag, you can see the first hashtag is motivational status. So you can find a trending hashtag from Instagram application itself. As we know, this arrow icon, this is a trending icon for Instagram. So in this way you can find a trending hashtag. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.